Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Google Gemini AI for Australian users. So I will be on my iOS device and I will just show you how to works and how to set up. So first thing is that you will just download from the App Store, or if you have Android phone, so you will just download it from the Play Store. You will just type it like Gemini, Google Gemini AI. So here you will see I will just already download it, and you will just make sure before you just sign up, you will just tap on your phone settings, whatever your phone have, like iOS or Android. So you will just go in the journals and you will just find this language and region. So what gonna do, you will just select it, the region section, and from here you will just type for Australia and select it from here. So right now I will be just set up all my phone settings on my United States region. But if you want to just tap on it Australia, so you will be just able to set up Google Gemini for the Australian users, and you will just simply just tap on it and you will just log in with your Google account. So in this way you will just have to set up Google Gemini AI for Australian users. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.